Hi, I'm Brian Wilson, and welcome to a quick tour of the home at 24511 El Sorrento in Laguna Niguel. This is the upper unit, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, over 900 square feet approximately. And going into the home, some of the features I love about this home: there's a beautiful fireplace here, high ceilings. The home, I believe it has at least 10-foot ceilings. These are huge. Makes the home feel even larger. That's the dining room. I'm in the living room walking toward the kitchen. Kitchen does have gas stove, plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinets for nice storage, window looking out over the patio. Fridge has ice maker. Another view of the living room. Those high ceilings. Down the hall, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, laundry. So on the right, hall bath with shower, upgraded toilet. Directly across is the secondary bedroom, currently set up as a home office. Does have mirrored closet doors and plenty of room for a bed if so desired to make this a second bedroom. There's more closet storage, full-size washer and dryer, plus storage up above that, and attic access. There is an amazing amount of storage up there, which is very handy. So, master bedroom, as we now come into it. Since this is an upper carriage unit, nobody above you, there are nobody right directly across from you here. This is a good view of the master and master bath area. This window is a small view of the lake through the trees there, but when that's open, it gives a tremendous breeze, comes through this house with the front door open. It's beautiful. And here, another window out in the bathroom, but a tub with a shower above, and again, upgraded toilet. So the laminate flooring, slate flooring in the bathroom, ceramic it looks like in the other wet areas. A really lovely home, and does come with a 1-car garage that has, guess what? More storage.